right, happy Monday. What is everybody doing on Monday? What is Tom doing on Monday? Mr. Hemi, also known as Mr. Hemi. Y'all can call him Tom, I call him Mr. Hemi. But hey, I guess it's not just Mr. Hemi, because look at these Indy heads. It says Indy right there, but we like to keep that taped up. Tom is clearancing these Harlem Sharp rockers for our 440 project, 446 pack. We'll name it something, we'll call it something, I don't know. And then we have our Studebaker, which is really coming along, waiting for the camshaft. I don't know if you saw the videos, if I posted the videos about degreeing a cam and why you should. Who am I looking at? I think I'm looking at you. And the cam was a reground and it was wrong. We found it, so it wasn't a problem, but we're getting another cam. Look at them setting the clearances for the rockers. He's clearancing the rockers. We've also been filming over here and been doing my hand. Sorry about that. Should we turn this into the tip of the day? Tip of the day, while we're here, while we're at it, take anything, a block, and use that to get your tap just right. All kinds of things I use. I'll use a block of aluminum, drill a hole through it. Block of wood would work on a drill press. If you know somebody with a drill press, have them drill you a block, and then you can use that and drill right through it and be perfectly straight as well. Also, I'm gonna do one-handed and not break a tap. I saved the threads on the side of the block, and there's a reason we saved the threads. It's for helping the alignment. When you're trying to figure out, I should have probably turned the radio off, but we weren't gonna be doing a longer video. So I did my template. I'm going all over the place. There it is, I did my template to figure out the hole. A lot of times I'll weld the hole solid. In this particular one, I welded around it and kept the original threads. The reason I did is for location. It took me a lot longer, but I actually saved half the threads. All right, tip of the day, save half your threads. I don't know. Tip of the day, start off a better video than the shaky video. Happy Monday. You can tell it's a Monday. See y'all later. Who am I looking at?